get this out of the way. Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what do I want to show you today? Well, as you saw in my previous videos, Anker had sent me their home battery and I am very happy with it. Absolute, it works fantastic. But they also sent me this box. And today I'm going to unpack this box, show you what's inside and how we can use it together with my Anker home battery. So I would say come on over and we're gonna look what's inside this box. Now guys, inside the box is another box. Wow. And it says split shipment. If your order contains multiple products, they may be shipped separately. Thank you for choosing Anker SOLIX. Danke für deine Vertrauen in Anker SOLIX. That's German. Let's have a look, guys. The first thing we have here is the Anker SOLIX the BP2700 expansion battery. Over here you have the 1, 2, 3 steps how to mount this extra battery to the system. Is that easy? Absolute. This is in German and this is in English. The quick start guide. Guys, it looks very simple. Absolute. Let's move on. Then we have safety information. Scan for the user guide. So if you scan this, you can have the user guide on your phone. Then we have nicely in gray. Looks good. With the mounting screws to drill in your wall. Nice. Another set of brackets. See? With the bolts, the little bolts. Well, also good. Up like this. Wow. Guys, let's put it on my stand. Take it out. Okay, then get this out of the way and put it over here. So we have a good look at it. I should say we have a walk around. Good plan. Now guys, this is the front side. There is this connector. Over here we have a grip and then nicely Anker SOLIX written on it. All sturdy aluminium. It's all aluminium. This is the manual and it's very easy. It's in a few steps. First we have to disassemble the system. We have to disconnect the solar bank and PV modules. Well, I don't have my solar panels attached to it. Then we have to unplug the solar bank from the home outlet and any connected device. So if you use that extra power socket for your television, we have to unplug it. That's also easy. Over here I have my home battery. This is the power cord. It's 5 meters long. And we unplug it. Okay, let's move on. Guys, we have to take this rubber cap off. That's easy. Under here is the connector for the top module. Let's do that. Guys, I unplugged also on the other side the power cord, because I have to move it. I have to move it. Then let's see. In here is a rubber seal to make sure that no water can go onto the contacts in here. We have to remove this rubber, and to do that it's better to place it on its front, on this side. Now watch, we're gonna do that. Now guys, I'm gonna place a towel over here so I don't scratch it. I want to place it carefully on the front. Carefully, yeah? Just like this. And place it over there. Now, over here are 2 screws. Phillips. Screw them out.
Okay, 1.
If you ever want to place it back, there is an arrow over here. Then this one comes out, and in here is another rubber cap. Make sure that this connector is fully watertight, so no water can go to those contacts. Get that one out too, with both of the screws. Hop. And then we put it again, back to normal. We're gonna mount this one on top of that one. First, we have to turn it around, like this, and then carefully up. How easy is this? Yeah. Wow, that was fucking easy. Look. But it's now, I have no idea, but 40 plus kilos. So it's not that lightweight, but yeah, that's batteries. They always, yeah, are heavy. Guys, over here you can see this, what is it? Attachment point. And over here is a hole for a screw. We have this bracket. See, there is this slit. Push it in. Okay, nice. Now it's connected, sturdy, one to the other. But you have to lift it on the bottom side. Don't lift it on your upper battery. On the other side we're going to do the same. Watch this bracket. Slide it over there. Get your screw. Screw it all the way in. This is easy. So easy. Come, let's have a look close by. See? and there. But as I said, when you lift the whole thing up, use these handlebars, not the ones on top. It hangs only on this. Then this bracket you have to mount over here. There is a hole. We have a bolt for this side and a bolt for the other side. Yes. And then you can bolt it against the wall. This one in, this one. Yes. Now we're on the other side. Guys, you can also use that hole or that hole, and it's sturdy, mounted against the wall. That's great, huh? Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do, attach it to the grid. I'm curious, the app should recognize this automatically, but let's see. Click in this one first. Click. That's good. Then 5 meters. Huh? Okay. Hop. Put it in. We have to turn it on. Push the button. Wow, Night Rider. I'm gonna open the app and let's see what happens. Opening the Anker app. Pop up. Software version is out of date. Okay. The expansion battery. Guys, we have to update it first. Wow, great. Let's update. Please wait to use the device until the update is finished. Okay, update. There he goes, updating. I like the design. The design is really nice, sharp. The finish is great. It's gray, a little bit metallic-like. I like it. 100. Waiting for device to restart. Update successful. Done. It's already implemented. It recognizes itself. Wow, guys. It's now in custom mode. Let's have fun. At home. And it's already over here. See? It shows. Wow. Guys, custom mode. Now we're gonna say manual power. Ending time 2000, and it starts charging the battery every day at 1 o'clock. Just now. Okay. And set up successfully. And now it's, see, it starts to charge. At this moment 1195 watts. You have to charge it when the price is cheap or when you have solar panels, and discharge it in the evening when the price is high, the electricity price. So guys, I'm happy with it. Now guys, that was my video. How to extend your battery with an extra battery of the Anker SOLIX. This is the basic unit, and underneath is the extension battery. And Was it difficult? No. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Also good for the YouTube algorithm. And for now, old mechanic.